Welcome back. Today we're breaking down the difference between LCM and GCF. Let's find out who's the greatest and who's the least. What is GCF? The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the biggest number that divides two or more numbers evenly. Example, find the GCF of 8 and 12. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and now let's circle the numbers they both share. 1, 2, 4. The biggest one they both have is 4. So the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4 because 4 is the largest number that divides both 8 and 12 with no remainder. Let's consider one more example. Find the GCF of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now, let's circle the numbers they both share. 1, 2, 3, and 6. The biggest one they both have is 6. So the GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Because 6 is the largest number that divides both 12 and 18 with no remainder. LCM, least common multiple. Now, let's learn about LCM. What is LCM? The least common multiple, or LCM, is the smallest number that both numbers can multiply into. Example, find the LCM of 4 and 6. In order to find the LCM of both numbers, we have to find the multiples. Let's find the multiples. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Let's find the common multiples. 12 is only the common multiple and is the least multiple. Hence, LCM, or least common multiple, is 12. So 12 is the first number they both land on in their multiplication tables. Let's consider one more example. Find the LCM of 5 and 10. To find the least common multiple, let's find the multiples of both the numbers. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Now, let's check the common multiples. 10 and 20 are the common multiples. And 10 is the least multiple. Hence, LCM is 10. So, 10 is the first number they both land on in their multiplication tables. Your turn. What's the GCF of 4 and 8? Try listing the factors and circle the greatest one. Pause and try. Awesome work! Now you know how to find the GCF using factor lists. We'll use this again when simplifying fractions. What is the LCM of 3 and 7? Pause the video and try. Great job! If this video helped you learn something new, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to ride with Scientia Plus every week.